I force myself to sleep again. I pray that I'll see you again. I'm standing at the corner, just looking for a sign. Well, God knows I'm just trying to find the answers that I seek. Well, read your Bible, yeah, that's what Daddy says. Well, Daddy's a preacher and I'm the son who lets him down.